Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through the official, brand new method to install hyper-realistic shaders on Minecraft Bedrock Edition using the newly integrated Render Dragon graphical processing pipeline. Unlike older versions of the game that completely blocked custom lighting, the recent game updates introduce a native engine upgrade called Vibrant Visuals that bring atmospheric fog and dynamic shadows straight to Windows, Android, and iOS devices. To activate these jaw-dropping visuals completely for free, you first need to download a modern PBR-enabled resource pack designed specifically for Bedrock's deferred lighting engine from a trusted community site like MCPEDL. Once downloaded, simply double-click the .mc pack file to launch Minecraft and let the game engine automatically import the graphics data directly into your global files. Next, head over to your main menu settings screen, click down into the Global Resources tab layout, select your newly imported shader pack under the My Packs drop-down directory, and hit Activate to lock it into your profile. To load the lighting effects safely into your world without a single performance crash, click Play, create a brand new world map, and navigate over to the Advanced Experiments configuration menu on the left side panel. You must scroll down to toggle the experimental option marked Render Dragon Features for Creators completely on before generating the terrain. Finally, once you spawn into the active map block grid, pause the game layout, enter the Video Options submenu, click on the brand new Graphics Mode checklist parameter, and change your profile setting from Standard to Deferred Technical Preview or Vibrant Visuals to immediately immerse yourself inside a beautifully illuminated blocky world. Subscribe the channel for more videos.